You search how to buy shares of FTC Solar Inc. FTC Solar supplies utility-scale solar tracker systems and services and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FTCI. This video is educational and not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FTCI to find the company. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed FTC Solar Inc. entry to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the listing shows FTC Solar Inc. on NASDAQ with ticker FTCI before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review your order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may queue or execute at the next session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before final confirmation. Once executed or queued, you will see the position in your portfolio for monitoring. Find the example eToro link in the description below if you want to follow the same steps.